We're here for claim number 08219-75661. We're here to film a repair assessment on the property to determine if the shingles can withstand a repair. As you can see right here, this is a crease shingle. This is the one we're going to be removing, and to be able to remove this, we're going to have to remove the fasteners located here up under these tabs, as well as the fasteners up here that are actually going through this shingle, as well as the top of the shingle that we're removing. So to be able to do that, we're supposed to be able to remove these without any collateral damage happening. And with the guidelines and what we look for are the 5 different failure points. One is mat transfer, which is where the bottom mat or the top mat actually separates and sticks to the other mat. Creasing, which we have right here, same thing as like wind creasing, but fracturing across the top just from us manipulating, removing the fasteners. We'll be looking for tears as well whenever we're removing these fasteners. We'll be looking for nail blow-throughs to show that the matting is too dried out or not pliable enough to even hold the nail, as well as just simple granule loss. I will be highlighting these right here through the process as we go through, but towards the end I will go back and re-highlight everything. I am also using the famous roof snake for the repair. So to begin with, we're going to be just unsealing the shingle here, here, and here to be able to get to those fasteners. You can already see granules just popping off the shingle just from us unsealing the bonds. All right, now I'm going to remove the fasteners, and I want to go ahead and show you that we actually do have a nail blow through already. This here is caused from the shingle not being able to withstand us just prying up on the fastener and removing it. So now it's actually fracturing all the way through the shingle and leaving a major hole inside the matting. Again, yeah. Yeah, it keeps happening. We have another nail blow through. Actually, if you look at this fastener head, you could actually see the matting sticking to the nail. Yep, every time. Again, you could actually see the matting sticking to the fastener. Again, it keeps happening. Keep having to match the nail blow throughs. Again, you could actually see it all over the fastener. So actually we're creating holes everywhere we're removing these nails. It keeps happening. Everywhere we're removing these nails, we're creating major holes inside the matting. And we're definitely not going to be able to drive back into the same hole. Yeah, every time. So I'm about to remove this shingle. I thought it was. Oh, missed one. Yeah. Do we have any high nails? Huh. Yeah. Okay. That should release it. All right. Now I'm going to show you what I mean by the blow throughs. If you look here, on the shingle, See the large holes that are actually left over from the nails blowing through. In other words, the matting's not holding the shingle whenever we're going to remove the fasteners. So we do have these consistent holes that you see that will actually be across this nail line here as well. But we're going to continue to get this thing sealed off. Okay, now I'm going to use the famous roof snake here, but I'm actually going to show you why we do not use this. If you notice here, what you see here, there's no impact rating, no impact whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline this zone. That way you can see just using the roof snake like it's designed to use causes more damage. Okay, right here, this is where the impact of the shingle of the roof snake was at. If you notice right there, it actually causes more damage. I am going to use it one more time just to show you the consistency of it. Again, I'm going to highlight that area. And what is happening is just the kinetic force of us driving here, pulling the roof snake back out, and then driving again is actually creating a hail impact here in this area. Again, as you can see, another impact area. So I'm not going to use the roof snake. Okay, now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take the light bristle brush, run it across the top of the shingle to see if we actually have any creasing that started. I want you to just look at the granules that are just falling off. Okay, now I do want to point out